Hello guys, how you doing? Beautiful day down here in Florida, Florida. Alright. Let's see what we got going on here today. Echo 30, which is cs-303T. Remember guys, I'm doing this video for my pay store. I don't trying to teach you anything. I don't trying to fix anything. This is for my customers that want more picture. It's not enough. And the one sound. Also gonna do a video in Spanish and then voy a hacer el video en español al final, guys. Mi gente. Alright guys, you know me, I take everything apart. Like I can show you the best I can. Guys, I'm having a little situation, and this one, for example, I can send it to the the mail. But the big machines, I have to send them to FedEx, and it's a drop-off box. I'm in the middle of nowhere. You guys live in a farm, know what I'm going through. Little by little, we'll figure it out, make them come here. I don't know. Sorry about if I'm going to be 2 or 3 days delay. I'm going to write it down in the description. But it is what it is for the moment, guys. Sorry about it. Okay, let's see what we got. You know, I've been putting a lot of these. I have like maybe 60 more of them. Little by little, I'm going to start putting all of them. For you guys that always buy from me, you know what's up. Oh, look at you, baby. Ooh. Let's blow that out a little bit. See what we got now. Ooh, shiny, huh? Shiny, baby, eh? Look at that. Let's see what we got here. Not bad. Guys, that's all for parts. This is a broken machine. This is a damaged equipment. If you're trying to fix this machine, you're making a big mistake. Why? Because it's broken. It's damaged. It's for parts. I sell for parts, guys. Or girls, you never know. Maybe we got ladies buying from us. Sorry, ladies, I always forgot to mention, but you know how it is. It's a man thing, I guess. Things are changing, ladies. Look at that, huh? At least acceleration is working. So far, everything is good on this side. It's missing the gas horn. I'm gonna throw a picture inside there, but you can see already. I took out the muffler like I always do, remember? Like that, I can show you the best. The handle is moving. Let me see if I can do it with one hand. I didn't want to go. You see, it gets stuck. The chances are the spring inside broke, but it looks like you can fix it because I touched it, went in and it went out. But my opinion, it's broke already. And you got here filter and all. All right, and we're gonna use Rocky. Okay, Rocky 305. I'm going to give it a shot. All right, enough is enough. I have my little thing here, guys. I know it's not what you used to. Everything here is a little messed up, lady. Let me put this in. It was a big rain yesterday. Big. I mean, like, big. That's it. Okay. Get in there, guys. Give me a second. Alright. Something big just went through me. I don't know what was it. I'm still learning a few here and there. Alright. Let me put just this one a little down. Oh, that's why it fell. Alright. I'm gonna try like that. Alright. And it's not good, I guess. I'm gonna move this back, I guess. Alright, let me see there. Alright, like there. Right there. I will get in there. Boom. Right there. Perfecto. Better, I guess. Alright, let's hit it. Let me see for that distance. Yeah, you can see there. Alright, let me sit down. Hey Rocky, how you doing, my friend? Been a while don't pull out Rocky, like 2 weeks. Yeah, because all depends. Sometimes I call him Rocky or Scarface because he has a scar there. It all depends, guys. All depends. I want to say thank you to everybody. Thank you for everything. Your support. Saludos a mi gente. All right. See? Oh, we got something. All right. Let's get up. See what we are. You see how good we're doing there? Good. Yeah. Perfect. Maybe a little more up. You see? Yep. That will do it right there. Okay. Oh God, forgot to put a spark plug. Sometimes it's better that you just put a little gas inside here. In my case, so you know, guys, when you follow me, all right, this is a spark plug that came with it. Let's take out the doctor. In this case, remember, I always throw a little bit there because all that I want is to get the spot like that. The machine is coil works using that. I'm trying to, because if it's dirty, it's gonna make it, the carburetor is gonna be worse for you guys to start cleaning more. Anyways, you have to do it, but you know me. Plus, I have a lot of machines. I'm lazy lately. Okay, we're on. We're gonna throw a little You know what? I think I throw W240 instead of throw gasoline. It's all good. We're not scared. Let's see. All right, you got it. All right, guys. So far, we know the handle doesn't work because this is my coil. Mine. This is yours. Okay. We know so far flywheel works. Coil works. Out of that, guys, that's all for parts. This is a broken machine. This is a damaged equipment. If you're trying to fix this machine, you're making a big mistake. Why? Because it's damaged. Okay, I'm gonna take this in member mine. I'm gonna put that one, throw some good pictures. Thank you guys for everything. Hola mi gente. ¿Qué me dice la raza? Que se una la raza. Deja que me vean ahí tirando tilapia. Mira qué grande está eso. Estamos esperando que venga la lluvia que se llene para no tener que estar tirando. Ahí tenemos un cocodrilo ahí adentro que está grande cantidad. Me parece que se tiene que ir. Mi gente, ya saben, la ladera es mía. Saqué a Rocky. Y este lado de ustedes se está trabando, pero para mí ustedes saben que no sirve. De ahí para allá, por lo menos sabemos que la bobina funciona y la mariposa funciona, porque ustedes vieron que prendió. De ahí para allá yo vendo para partes. Si usted está tratando de, ¿cómo se dice eso?, de arreglar esta máquina, está cometiendo un error, porque yo vendo para partes. Bueno, mi gente, gracias. Me saluda el niñito. ¿Qué, papá? Bueno, que se una la raza.